All right, we got our plumbing ditches dug out here. Going back to the equipment pad there. Yep. Then we got a hill back here, so we got to deal with going downhill. Here's that footing we just poured this morning. Down here at the lake, before the lake, we've got these straw wattles down here. Keep this dirt from washing down there. Need to fix one of them wattles right there. They moved them. Yeah. And we got these ditches back here. A little bit deeper than usual. There's a little bit of dirt up about halfway up this wall right here. Ooh, somewhere right in there. Somewhere right in there. Yeah. We got wattles there to keep the dirt from washing down in the pond. Someone made a comment about it, and I'm going to answer that question. There you go. We're ready to start plumbing.